Hello, good morning, people. How are you doing? Welcome back to Inspire Generations. I hope you guys are doing okay. This is Tony, and this is Inspire Generation Farms, and we are so grateful. We have some rains, and the farm is doing quite good. So, at the moment, I'm harvesting some spinach. I have a client that needs about 50 kgs. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. Yeah, it's early in the morning. Tumerauka kuchapa kazi. Okay, so at the moment we are trimming the onions, seedlings, and I will show that in a little bit, and then we will be doing some spraying today, and also tunamalizia kufunga drip line so that we start transplanting us from next week. I mean, you can see the view. Okay, this is how the place looks like. Hapo nyuma ni tomatoes, all right? And then on the other side, hakuka green, you can see there, that is the green capsicum, all right? And they are doing quite good actually. So that's what I'm doing over here. Yeah, this is all capsicum. You can see, I mean, spinach from the background there. Yeah, so that's what I want to take care of in the morning before we get, on with the day. Yeah, so this is the spinach that I'm harvesting. Yeah, you can see very nice. All right, very nice. All right, and then over here we have a nursery. This is a nursery for capsicum. We decided to try a little bit and see how it's going to perform. Yeah, and we are, the germination was quite good. All right. Yeah, these are two varieties, and maybe later on I will tell you the variety. We decided to try it by ourselves and to see if we can get a good germination. For sure, we did. And then over on this side, this is where we have tomatoes. And remember, I did a project, to try and see how the market, looks like for tomatoes. And right now I can confidently do on larger scale, though I'm not a very big fan of tomatoes, okay, because of the cost of production that is associated with producing tomatoes. Okay, so this is how the place looks like, and about 1 week old. And then of course this is spinach. We will be taking this to the market later in the day. Majorly, I mean, during the day we have quite a lot happening at the farm, and I'm really thinking about how we can get that into production so that we can get to share our stories, especially with the young people about farming. Then this is how we trim our onions, and when you're doing this, we usually trim them like a week before transplanting, and it helps with hardening the seedling, making it to grow a little bit stronger, to fight against diseases and so many other stuff. And when we're trimming, please make sure that you don't trim it too, I mean, close to the bottom. I mean, make sure that it's a little bit high. So this is how the place looks like after we have trimmed them. And you come here, after 2 3 days, you will wonder whether this is the place where we were doing the trimming. And the seedling will be very, very healthy, and what we normally do immediately after we do the trimming, we normally spray a fungicide, a pesticide, and a foliar, to give it a boost. Okay, and of course this is where we will be transplanting our onion. And I tell you, in a week's time, this place will be green. Yeah, this place will be amazing. Okay, so this is what we've done. We have quite a number of beds, and this is our new farm. And each bed has three drip line. Okay, each bed has three drip line, and we're trying to fix it so that as we get ready for transplanting the coming week. And of course, you see those two tanks over there, they serve the bigger farm that you see there. It's about 5 acres. Okay, and the green that you see in the middle, that is spinach, I mean coriander, I'm sorry. Yeah, so in our farm, what I've realized in long term, for sustainability purposes, you really need to diversify. And that becomes a difficult when you are a small scale farmer, especially when you are running maybe half an acre or an acre. It becomes so difficult to diversify. But when you're doing large scale, I would advise it's good to diversify.
farming is fun, but also it can be more fun if you're making money out of it. And for that reason, you will really need to, to think about diversification and for the purpose of sustainability. And also the other thing, of course, this is our capsicum. Of course, we've done two varieties. We've done Max Bell, we've done Super Bell, and we want to see which one will outperform the other one. I mean, with our first project, we did Max Bell. It did well, not very bad, but also we want to have a comparison. At our farm, we normally, try things and to see which one works best for us. And as I was saying, diversification is key in farming. I'll see you in the next video.